A needed self-massage. This may be helpful during the day when you're stressed about something or facing a problem that you just can't seem to solve and you need a break from figuring it out. Or you may choose to use this when you're anxious or right before you want and need a relaxed night of mindful sleep. Settle into your chair. Relax your belly. Bring your attention to the music. Take a deep breath in through your nose and bring your 10 fingertips to your hairline. Exhaling. Notice your shoulder blades against the back of your chair. Begin to take each fingertip in a circular motion, pulling up your scalp over your skull, making your way to your temples, back through your hair, listening to the sound of your hair moving. Bringing your thumbs behind the top of your ears, taking your forefinger knuckle to the top of your earlobe. Pulling it up, back, and down. Make your way down to the bottom of your earlobes. Taking all 10 fingers along your lower jaw, relaxing the back of your neck as you do this. Coming up to the corners of your mouth, to your cheekbones. Making your way back to the corners of your eyes, the outside corners. Back to your forehead, to the place between your eyebrows, and then gently pull your skin away towards your ears from the middle of your eyebrows, back towards your ears 3 times. Drop one hand and take the other hand to the side of your neck. Begin to pick up the muscles of your neck, almost as if you're kneading pizza dough or bread dough. And when you notice a tightness, instead of avoiding it, go just a little bit deeper. Come down your shoulder, pulling up all of the muscles so that you can almost hold them in your hand. Coming down to your upper arm, underneath your upper arm, to your elbow. Massaging your lower arm, your wrist. Taking your thumb inside the palm of your opposite hand. Really massaging the palm of your hand, the triangle between your thumb and your forefinger. And then up your forefingers, pulling them out from the palm. Gently shaking out the hand that you just massaged, the wrist, the elbow, and your entire shoulder. Resting both of your hands on your thighs, relaxing your belly. Notice if your one shoulder feels lower than the other just by that simple massage. Deep breath in, release. Let's do the other side. Use your hand again to knead the side of your neck, noticing where all that tension is. Coming down towards your shoulder, picking up your shoulder with your palm, coming down to your upper arm, underneath your upper arm, down to your elbow, forearm, wrist, using your thumb inside the other palm to really massage in there, making sure to hit the triangle between your thumb and your forefinger, then coming up to all of your fingers and pulling them out from the palm. Deep breath in, releasing, shaking out your fingers, your wrist, elbow, almost like your arm is spaghetti, cooked spaghetti that you're trying to get the water off of. It's just loose. And then all the way from your shoulder. And allow both of your hands to come to your lap. Deep breath in and releasing. Relax your belly. Return your attention to your breath, noticing the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. A self-massage may be exactly what you needed and is at your fingertips whenever you want it.